right quadrant here at the right here at Damhead South level crossing. It's also known as the Glen Road. Well, the road is called Glen Road. Well, whenever if you go onto Google Maps, it does not it doesn't seem to come under more. It must come under McGabry probably. Go to Google. Whereas I see when the train comes and there's a track. Now it's getting light out here too. So, anyways, I'll see you when the train. Okay, down at South level crossing, Craigavon with Craigavon. See, it makes a little bit of noise in there. I think so. Whenever you hear that noise, it makes like a wee clicking noise, and that probably means about the crossing will go off very, very soon. Any second. So, anyways, the time is switching. 46, and this is here. July 14, no, 15, 55, no, 14, 45, no, where Iris is from Griffithorshire to Portadown. Here it is. Where's the one to Portadown? Up we go. And there we go. I know I said early, but sometimes I would say it early. Big deal to see you next video.